Madagascar. A strange world where nothing is quite as it seems. To hunt here requires stealth and subterfuge. And living within the trees is a master of ambush. A praying mantis. Well camouflaged and lightning quick, these insects are highly efficient predators. But even they are outgunned. A chameleon. Its camouflage is exceptional because it can change its skin color to match its surroundings. Its eyes move independently to spot prey. It creeps towards its victim until just in range. Then it unleashes a super weapon. Its tongue shoots out at 15 meters per second. And not only hits, but grasps its target.